What is up, guys? Let's just get right into this thing. Basically, these are my makeup wipes, my peppermint soap / mask. Next we have the little cotton pads for this astringent toner thing that you put on your face after you wash it. And then we have spectacular toothbrush and toothpaste. Y'all need that. Mouthwash, ivory soap to clean the body. And then lastly, let's get started. So with this wipe, I'm taking off all the makeup I had on the night before because I like to sleep in my makeup apparently. So we're using this.
Tell me how to get your ears.
After that, we're hitting my face with this peppermint soap. Y'all, yeah, I never realized how I actually washed my face until I made this video. I only use one hand apparently, but usually I'll start to rub this all over my face, get it all in the crevices. I'll use my fingernails for the deep dark places and whatnot. Then you got to get that neck. Sorry if that was loud in your ears. Also, I'll let that sit and then I'll start brushing my teeth. Personally, I do not like showing people like the stuff coming out of my mouth when I brush my teeth, so I won't hit y'all with that either. But get your tongue, please. And I'm organized, so I like to put things back, put tops on, and just keep it moving. Couldn't get the mouthwash open. Not really my thing. Yeah, so we gargle, and see y'all later. Alright, so I don't shower on camera, so we're back with after my shower, post shower, and these are just all the things I'm using. That pink sugar is like a body oil. You can put it like on your wrist and stuff, and y'all all know all these other materials. If you don't, they're hair products and hair tools to use to do my hair. And this spray bottle I actually got from Amazon. If you would like to know where I got it from, leave a comment below and I will put it in the description box for you. So after I've taken my shower and washed my face, I use this toner to tone your face. I really don't know what it's for, but my granny, she used to put it on our face when we were kids, and it's just kind of been a staple since. And so next we are using this lotion. So this lotion probably cost me about $2 at Kroger, and it smells really good. It's just amazing. I'm putting some Vaseline on my lips and on my face, just a little though, not really that much. So for those of y'all who are like me, I struggle in seeing with my glasses off. So during this next part of this tutorial, not really a tutorial, it's more of what I do. I just want y'all to be well aware of the mistakes being made. Also, that brush that I use for my foundation that you will see later, I did get it off of Wish. If you would also like that link, let me know and I'll put it in the description box below. I am from Wakanda here, so there you have it. And if you ever ask me where I'm going, where I'm coming, it's Wakanda. And that's just how it is. Okay, so y'all, I don't wet my blender or anything like that because I kind of like my makeup to have like a powdery look, and I'm still learning, y'all. I'm not a pro or anything, and yes, I look like a ghost right now, but I promise to you it will not be always. And also, I'm still looking for the perfect color for my foundation, but I haven't necessarily found it yet. I've just been kind of finding things that are like mixable. So when I mix them together, they kind of blend into the color that I like for my skin. And so far, this has been the best combination. And yeah, so if y'all ever see me putting my glasses back on, it's because I can't see. I cannot see. Somebody needs to invent like a mirror or something that people who have glasses can use to put their makeup on, because it's ridiculous. Like, I can't see. But anyways, here's my lip gloss. Just put on a little lip liner, it's the typical look. This is what I'll do if I'm feeling, extra for school or class. I'm going to a basketball game, actually. That's why I'm wearing my Belmont University gear. D1, you know, we out here like that. Anyways, keep watching, y'all. Oh, wait, before I go, I'm so sorry to all the makeup gurus. I've watched so many makeup tutorials, and yet I can't. But y'all, I can't see. I just can't. And then I have to close them. Like, you know, I don't wear mascara, y'all, because I've just had too many instances where I poke my eye. So yeah. And here I'll be showing y'all how to do a side puff. I actually came up with this idea while I was filming, and I was like, oh, that'd be cute if my hair was to the side, you know, and all of that. So that's what we finna do. I personally think I still could have wetted my hair just a bit better, especially when I'm getting ready to lay down my hair, because usually the waves will come in when the hair is laid well enough, but since it was still kind of dry, it just kind of goes slick, you know what I mean? But I mean, you know, it'll get better. But the style is super cute. It's super easy. It's just like doing a regular puff, but just kind of pushing it to whichever side that you want it to be on. But here I'm just, you know, getting my kitchen, because I have been told that I don't keep my kitchen slick, and it's not intentional. It just gets wild sometimes, and you know, you can't control that when you're on a campus that like the wind blows. You feel me? So I actually learned how to do these side curls. So I do mine a little differently. I know a lot of naturals kind of just put like gel on their curls on the side, but to make mine last longer and kind of be a little bit more extended, I'll put the gel and then I'll make like a twist kind of at the top, and then I'll just leave the rest of it uncurled and then twirl with my finger, kind of like you're doing a finger coil, and then, you know, it's cute and it's stylish. So I do that on both sides, and it just comes out really nice, and I just really like the look because sometimes, you know, it just adds character to the hair, you feel me? And you know, character is better. And also guys, my edges, if y'all want a tutorial on how to lay your edges, comment that as well in the description box. Not in the description box, Madison. Comment in the comments below. I bought this edge brush from the hair store, so like a beauty supply, and it cost me $1, but I kind of use this just to actually get the hair to lay down first. Then I'll go in with my small tooth comb and just go down kind of like section by section, using my finger to guide the hair to where I want it to be. And yeah, guys, that's it. That's the lot. If you want to be like me, you know, just follow this tutorial. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe.
Bye, y'all. If nobody told you